Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, you got want to use Bluetooth to speak to all your mates. Okay, if you've got a Sena, which is a perfect intercom, I use them, very good. I've actually got a camera one, which is why I'm selling this. This is brand new, and originally I was just going to use this with a Harley intercom, but I've actually upgraded the stereo to you know, like a fully waterproof one, much later than my old cassette one. So this will let you use the Harley Davidson intercom, which this plugs into the standard Harley DIN. Okay, and then basically your Sena will go on the outside like this. So the Sena will clip onto here. Okay, you can see here, very, very good quality Sena stuff, I can assure you, because I use it. Okay, these are your spacers for your earphones. These are your muffs that go over here to stop it rubbing your ears. This is the stick-on bit for here. And you can actually, rather than using this clamping system, which personally I don't like, you see the clamp in there, then you can see it properly. But this is a stick-on one. Now, once this is glued on, believe me, this won't come off. And to me, that is a way superior system. You also get, obviously, your lead, which connects onto here. Okay. But you can actually not bother connecting that and use this as a Bluetooth intercom as well, obviously. You know, rather than using a Harley stereo. But the idea is when the music comes in, it'll fade your stereo down. And all the, you know, you'll basically go from one to another. So you'll go Harley Davidson system or the Sena system to speak to all your mates, etc. But cracking bit of kit, this is your full face option. Okay, where this will unplug and basically give you a full face microphone. Okay, so this will pull out of here. Okay, and then you'll just plug that one in there. All right, but cracking bit of kit, very hard to get hold of. I don't even know if Sena still make it, but this is a proper Harley one. Comes complete with the glued surface, which is this, the full intercom, which is this. Okay, this is with a boom. That's your boom for open face. Okay, your clamp cover adapter, which is this one, and then all your spare boots, you know, your socks for the mic, so they will wear out eventually. And of course you've got 4 here, so you've actually got 4 complete boots, so it should last you forever. And you've also got spare socks and covers for the earphones. But cracking bit of kit. If you're interested, give us a call, 01773 before all this lot blows away. 835 666. Alternatively, customcruisers.eu I believe has got these, or customcruisers.com, not sure, but when they're gone, they are gone. Thank you, stay safe.